Most people walk into a bank thinking every loan works the same. But here's the twist. The rules change the moment you move from retail lending to investor lending. Ignore these differences and you'll waste months. Know them, and you'll close deals faster than 90% of investors. If you've ever felt blindsided by a last-minute denial or weird underwriting conditions, this video will make the entire lending world snap into place. By the end, you'll know exactly which loan belongs in which scenario, and which one will get you approved. Let's get real about why this matters. Retail lending was built for people buying homes to live in. Investor lending was built for people buying homes to make money. And the two worlds could not be further apart. Consider this. A retail borrower buying a personal home can have a 9-to-5 job, W-2 income, and the bank smiles. An investor with 10 cash-flowing properties, a 780 credit score, and strong liquid reserves? The same bank can say no simply because the underwriting formula wasn't designed for them. That alone has killed countless deals. Here's a simple story. A first-time investor named Aaron applied at his local bank for a rental property. Perfect credit. Great job. Solid property. He still got denied. Why? Because his debt-to-income didn't fit retail rules. He walked away frustrated. Then he applied with an investor lender who used DSCR instead of DTI. Boom, approved in 7 days. Same borrower. Same property. Different lending universe. That's the gap most investors never understand. Let's break down the science behind these differences. A 2023 CoreLogic study showed that investor loans default for entirely different reasons than primary home loans. Retail loans rely heavily on personal income stability. Investor loans rely on asset performance. Another study from the MBA in 2022 found that DSCR-based approvals reduce closing time by 40% because they eliminate the need to underwrite personal income. In short, investor lending shifts the focus from the borrower to the property. Here are the mechanics. Retail lenders use DTI, your income versus your debt, to decide if you're safe. Investor lenders use DSCR, property income versus property expenses, to decide if the deal is safe. Retail looks at tax returns, pay stubs, W-2s, personal income stability. Investor lenders look at leases, market rents, appraised rents, and property-level cash flow. Retail lending cares about you. Investor lending cares about the asset. So here are the 5 practical steps you can use today. First, decide the purpose of the loan. If it's a home you'll live in, go retail. If it's a property meant for income or flipping, go investor lending. Second, stop worrying about DTI for investor loans. Instead, gather leases, market rent estimates, and your DSCR projections. Third, prepare entity docs early. Investor lenders expect LLCs, INs, and operating agreements. Fourth, retail lenders check your tax returns line by line. Investor lenders rarely care, so protect your time and only provide what's relevant. Fifth, expect speed. Investor loans close faster, but only when you send clean documents up front, ID, E&M, O, insurance, and entity docs. Now let's close the loop. Earlier I said that understanding the difference between retail and investor lending could save you months of frustration. Here's the payoff. Once you understand which lender belongs to which goal, you'll never sit in the wrong line again. You'll choose the right loan, at the right time, with the right underwriting logic. That's how the top investors stay approved. Subscribe for more science-backed insights on personality and decision-making. Educational content. Not medical or psychological advice.